Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to do a quick video on my apple trees today. I'm having a real bad case, at least with some varieties, on fire blight with my apple trees. I had to basically prune off almost all flower and spurs and fruit off of this Gala graft that I did. Honeycrisp was okay. Yellow transparent just got attacked by a lot of Japanese beetles. That's why you see the end tips are all bit up. And the Fuji is okay. Some of my apples did really well, like this Granny Smith. Not one bit of fire blight. You see some more apples here and there. But then you take a look at the graft I did of Gala. This is a Gala on top of this. What's Lulu doing? Never mind. You can see the graft I did of Gala with this Granny Smith. You got fire blight. This limb is totally dead. It's over. That's what fire blight's going to look like typically. I mean, if people go, oh, it's not fire blight, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is, it has to go. Because as you can see, the dark coloring in the cambium layer, it's starting to move. If I don't get rid of this in this green area, it'll start moving and moving and moving and moving and keep going. So if you see anything wrong with your apple tree that doesn't look normal, remove it. And the other problem, unfortunately, was my pink lady I grafted. I have a whole tree that's a pink lady. Here's the graft right here that I did with the black electrical tape. But this graft did well and then produced beautiful apples and black. Done. So there was a little, I'm assuming, a little buzzing bee that had some fire blight issue on it, and it really did affect my trees. That's one of the bad things about pears and apples, is that blight issue. Oh, so that's what you're doing. She's playing with a peach. Did you get another peach off the tree? Yes. Whatever. Little tip, always use rubbing alcohol, the 70 or I believe the 91%, with every cut that you're removing a suspected fire blight issue. Doesn't matter if even you think it might be. If you prune something off, spray your pruners every cut or douse them with rubbing alcohol. Here's some issues that I had. Here's one big knot that just became riddled with fire blight. Dead leaves, leaves that turn over like this was. It was supposed to be like this, but the whole branch was like that. That's when you know you have an issue. Also, just dying limbs. You could just break this. That's it. It's over. Now, why I cut this part off is that you have to test how far the blight went up the stem. And I kept scratching it, and I kept on seeing brown or black, and I finally saw green. I just decided to cut the whole thing off. Alright everybody, just something you need to know about with pears. I have 1 and 2 there, and I have 5 different apple trees that have about 9 different varieties on them. Alright everyone, just something you need to be aware of. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and